Hey guys, so my name is Shahran and I'm here to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube here. Uh, yeah, so the first step here I'll show you is the moves that are required to solve this thing. There are a few moves that you have to learn at first. So let's go. At first we have R, which is the right hand turn. So here we go, R, that is the upwards turn for the right hand is called R, while R dash is the downward movement for the right hand, and is the exact opposite on the left hand, where L is the downward movement for the left hand and L dash is the upward movement for the left hand. Now next is F, which means front. F, you can turn it like this. F dash is just the reverse, so it goes like this. Now B is the exact opposite of the F, so it's like this. B goes backwards like this, and B dash has to go this way. Alright, next we go on to the upper moves. So it's usually turned like this, right? U dash is turned like this. Got it? Now again, the exact opposite is the down move, which is denoted as D and D dash. So D would be the exact opposite, which is D is like this, while D dash would be like this. Alright, so now we learned the different type of moves you can do on the Rubik's Cube, right? So here I have a scramble for you guys. If you feel difficult to follow it, then please follow me and see the steps I am doing. Alright, here we go. So we have B dash like this. We have R2, which is 2 times of right. So 1 and 2 could be of, it could be in any way. We have U2, so U1 and 2. Next we have L2, which is left hand, so 1 and 2, right? Now we have R2, 1, 2. Now we have F dash, so it goes like this. Alright, next L2, which is left hand, 1 and 2, and then right R2, 1 and 2. Okay, next it is U2. After that we proceed to an F. Next would be the L dash, which is the left hand upper move, so it goes like this. Alright, next is D dash down, which goes like this. L2, which is 1 and 2. B, and then we have L dash, which is like this. B dash, which is like this. Next we have F2, 1, 2, and then we got L, which is downwards, B dash and U dash. There. Now we got a scramble. Okay, if you didn't get the same one as me, then it's completely fine. If you already have an unsolved Rubik's Cube, then also it's fine. For those who had it solved and wanted to learn it, this is how you scramble, and now I'll teach you how to solve it. So let's proceed. The first step to any cube, or the first step to any 3x3 Rubik's Cube, would be to solve the cross. So here I'll take the white side. So I need to solve the cross, but in such a way that the colors here match. the colors here have to match with the corresponding color. Okay, so the first step here would be to check with all of the pieces that have two colors on it. The pieces that have two colors are called the edges. Pieces with three colors are called the corners. So we have to find the edges, the white edges of each color. So we have red, we have the blue color, we have the orange right here, and we have the green right here. Alright, so the first step would be to solve the cross. To solve this piece, you have to understand that this piece has to go in here. This piece goes in here. So to bring it down here, we have to simply move this away so that this piece could go down here. I hope that is clear. So we move it down. Now we will move it back to its normal position. So now we can see red is matched with its color, and so is blue. Next we'll go on to orange, but we can see here orange is already matched. So we will put orange down just like that. Right? And then the next step and the last step for the cross would be green. Since it's already paired up, we got lucky, so it could just go down like that. And that's how your cross should look like. Now there could be some other cases where, for example, when you solve it, all of these three are solved except for one corner, which stays like this. So to solve this corner, we simply move it like this, match this corner with its color, which would go something like this. Doesn't matter, we'll get back to this piece. After that, we put this down like this and we bring it back, and there you have it, your cross. Okay, so after solving the cross, next step would be to solve the corners. It's actually solving layer by layer. So we'll solve the first layer first, and then we will proceed with the second layer. It's quite easy actually. So we locate any of the white pieces along with two other colors. So there's this piece that I see. It contains the white color, red and green. So at first we move it towards its position, which would be between the green and red. Since it contains the green and red color, so it should be in between green and red and white. Right? Okay, so after you get it to this position, there are 4 moves that I want you all to learn and remember. Quite easy actually. I'll put up the algorithm for that, but if you want to learn it in an easier way, and if you can't follow the algorithm, then this is the way. We go up, left, down, right. You got that? Let's do it again until this piece has to go in this one. Let's do it again. Up, left, down, right. Okay, this piece doesn't count since it's in the wrong place, so we'll do it again. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, and then now up, left, down and right. There you have it. Your first corner piece is inside of its corresponding place. between the green and red and touching the other white pieces. So let's move on to the next piece. Oh, here we go. This is the next piece. Now we have green and orange. So this would go between the green and orange side. So we just move it along that position. Now it goes between green and orange. Now we do the same 4 moves again. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Until and unless the white piece does not go to the bottom. So again, up, left, down, right. There we go. We got the piece in. Now let's go for the third one. Here we go. That's the third one. So this one contains blue and red. But here we can see it's between the blue and orange. That won't do, would it? So let's take it out. To take it out, the same 4 steps. Up, left, down, right. Okay, we got it out. Now move this to its place or position between the blue and red. So we move it right here. Simple. Now the same 4 moves again until this goes in here. So up, left, down, right. Oh, and it's solved. Nice. Now let's go on to the next and the last piece. We have one remaining spot just for this. So we move it towards the position in the same 4 moves again. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down and right. We have done the first layer. Okay, now without wasting time, let's go on with the second layer. This one requires a bit more of thinking. Alright, so the first step for the second layer would be to find out the piece that has no yellow color on it. So here we have red and green. It has no yellow color. This piece would go in between the red and green position. So we keep it in that place. Alright, we keep it to the color it's matching. Okay, red matches to red. If for example you have green on the other side, if you have green on this side, then you match it up with the green color like that. Okay, now the next step would be this away and the same 4 moves. Up, left, down, right. But this time we have a twist. We have to rotate the cube and the same 4 moves just with the other hand. So it will go something like this. Up, right, down and left. Here. You see that? We solved that part. So now the next would be to solve another piece. So we have to find a piece that does not contain a yellow color on it. We have the red, blue, or we have the blue and orange one. You can choose which color you want to do first. I will go for the red and blue piece. So at first we have to match it with the color it coincides with. So here it matches with red. Here, instead of going away like this, since red, this piece goes in between red and blue, we had to put this on the other side. That's why I said away from where it has to go originally. So away, and then the same for moves with the right hand, since it goes towards the right. So we have to do the moves with the left hand. We have to do the moves with the left hand. So it goes something like this: up, right, down, left, rotate the cube, and then do the same for moves with your right hand. up, left, down and right. Now lastly, we have one remaining piece left, which is this one. So we move it towards the color it matches. We do the steps again: away, up, left, down, right, up, right, down, left with the left hand since. And then now we rotate the cube, and then it's up, left, down, right. Okay, here we solve the first two layers of the cube. Alright, so the top layer can vary in many ways. So first I'll show you the method I got, and then I'll show you the various other ways that the top layer could occur in. So first step, if you have it in this case, the main idea for the top layer is to bring another cross, just like how we did here. We have to bring another cross on the top. So for this case, to bring a cross, you have to first do an F move, which goes like this, and then the same for moves up, left, down, right, and then we put this back. Alright, now we have a line here. For anybody who got a line case, this is what you do here. You put it horizontal to yourself, could be any position. You put it horizontal to yourself, you do the same thing. You do an F move here. Now we do up, left, down, right, and voila, a cross. Could be anything, but here we need a cross. Okay, now we have to see the colors. The colors don't match here, but we need all the colors to match. So there's a simple way to do that. We have to see which color matches with its position. Here we'll try with the red first. Here the red matches, the orange does not match, the green does not match, but the blue matches. That's completely fine. So what we do is, if we have two matching, we put one on the back and one on your right. After you do that, one on your back and one on your right. After you do that, you can do this move, which is and then you put this pair back in. Now we have the orange solved, the blue solved, the red solved, and the green solved. If, for example, you have opposite colors matching, for example you have red and orange matching, it's completely fine. Do the same algorithm that I just showed you once, and after that you'll get two adjacent colors matching, and then do the same, one on the back, one on the right, and then do that again. Alright, so next step, now we got the cross, we match the colors of the cross. So the next one would be to match the position of the corners. It doesn't have to be solved, just the positions have to be correct. Here we can see that this piece obviously is not in the right place. We can see this piece not in the right place, this piece not in the right place, but we have this piece just in the perfect place. It's red and green, and it goes between red and green. So if you have any pieces that are solved or in the right position, keep it on your right. If you don't, then it's completely fine. Just follow this algorithm once and you should get the piece, you should get one of them in the right place. So here we have this. So this is the algorithm that you have to follow. Okay, so here we see this one has not been disturbed, but all the other three have been disturbed. But to our luck, we have this in the proper position, this in the proper position, and this in the proper position. So now what we do is, without rotating the cube, we have to bring it down like this. Right? Now the same 4 moves as I told you again, to bring this yellow piece down here. Right? So the 4 moves: up, left, down, right, up, left, down. The right move is very important, so do it. And then without rotating the cube, you move the bottom layer, and then you do those steps again: up, left, down, right, 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 up, left, down, right. Have one more piece. It's fine, the cube looks like it's jumbled, but let's do this last piece and see what happens. And wow, see, we have solved the cube. Now for the other cases that I mentioned, this is one of the cases that you might get. Alright, so this is how you solve it. The same way as you do it. You do the F move, up, left, down, right, you put it back, and then you get a line. We know how to solve the line. So here, up, and then we get a cross, and then just follow the same steps again. And then another case you can get is this, the dot. So for the dot, you do the same thing again: F, up, left, down, right, back, and then you get this figure. So the same thing again. Now we get a line, so now we solve the line, and here we have a cross. Okay, so that's it for me. I hope you all learned a valuable lesson how to solve the cube, and I hope I was helpful. And yeah, my name is Shahran, and thank you very much.